Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Resident Evil Requiem unsupported graphics card error. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and update your GPU drivers. If you are using an AMD graphics card, go to the official AMD website and scroll down to find the driver download section. From there, choose the option to download the Windows driver. This tool automatically detects your hardware and installs the correct driver. Make sure your AMD driver version is updated to version 26, 2.2, or the latest available version. If you are using an NVIDIA graphics card, you may need to roll back your driver instead. Visit the official NVIDIA website and download driver version 591.86. You can either use the automatic driver installer or manually enter your GPU details and start the search to find the correct driver. Once you locate version 591.86, download and install it. That's it for this video. Thanks.